The moment is finally here. Nano Banana Pro has officially dropped, and it's on a whole different level. I've tried plenty of image generators, but nothing comes close. This thing is insane. 4K image generation, perfect text, flawless edits, consistent characters, and even pulls the right context before creating your image. Absolutely incredible. All the images you've seen so far were made with Nano Banana Pro, and they speak for themselves. Normally, access to a model like this is locked down, but I found a way around it. I'll show you how to use the full Nano Banana Pro completely free through a platform called Higgsfield AI. Why Higsfield? Because it lets you use Nano Banana Pro at no cost, pick any aspect ratio, go up to 4K, and create without limits. So let's jump right in. Now, to get started, simply click on the link in the description and sign up using your email ID. After that, you will see an interface like this. As you can see here, they are currently offering unlimited access to Nano Banana for a whole year if you purchase a subscription. Otherwise, they give you daily free credits to generate images and videos. Now let's generate some images, and let me show you how good Nano Banana Pro really is. To generate images, you need to hover over this image option and then choose Nano Banana Pro from here. This will take you to the main interface. Now, this is the prompt section where you need to write your prompt. Let's create a cinematic masterpiece first, so I'll paste this prompt. Cinematic close-up of a cursed sea creature pirate with octopus-like tentacles, wet, realistic skin, a glowing blue eye, barnacles, and a worn pirate hat. Dark, moody lighting on a blurred ship background, ultra-detailed and lifelike. Next, you can change the aspect ratio from here, and let's go with this one. After that, from here you can choose the image resolution. As you can see, it supports up to 4K, which is crazy. I'll keep it at 2K for now. Next, make sure you turn on this unlimited option, otherwise it will deduct credits from your account, then simply hit generate. And here is the output. Wow, just look at this image. Every detail in this character feels alive. The textured tentacles, the wet skin, even the tiny suckers look real. That piercing blue eye adds so much emotion and intensity, making the creature feel almost human. The dark cinematic lighting and blurred ship background give it a true cursed pirate vibe. From the barnacles to the dripping water and worn hat, everything feels straight out of a Hollywood movie scene. Nano Banana Pro absolutely nailed this. Seriously, impressive. Let's try one more. This time I'll paste this prompt. Black and white cinematic noir scene of two powerful gangsters standing confidently beside a vintage car in fog and shadows. Gritty, dramatic lighting, classic 1940s gangster movie vibe, and hit generate, and here is the output. Wow, I have nothing to say. This is just outstanding. The black and white look feels gritty and cinematic with strong, classic noir vibes. They look powerful and classy, like they run the city. With the fog, shadows, and vintage car, it honestly feels like a real gangster movie poster. Now you can also create ultra-realistic images of people that are almost unrecognizable. So let's try a few. In the prompt, I'll just give it a very simple line like, ultra-realistic portrait of a woman on a tropical beach during golden hour, soft sunlight, flowing hair, warm tones, natural expression, polished luxury vacation photo shoot style, Instagram ready. And hit generate, and here is the output. Wow, the face really captures her recognizable look and overall vibe. The tropical beach setting with golden hour lighting feels warm, realistic, and perfectly Instagram ready. From the flowing hair and soft sunlight, everything comes together for a polished luxury vacation feel. It honestly looks like a real photo shoot. Nano Banana Pro did a great job of keeping it natural and believable. Here's another image I created using a different prompt, and as you can see, it looks absolutely flawless. I mean, if you show this image to someone, I'm sure they won't be able to recognize it's AI. It's actually that good. Let's try more. This time, I will give it this prompt. Ultra-realistic podcast studio scene with hosts Joe Drake and Kendrick Lamar talking naturally. Warm lighting, neon sign in the background, professional microphones, candid expressions, and a real behind-the-scenes podcast vibe. And hit generate. And here is the output. Wow, this looks scary real. The realism here is seriously impressive. The studio setup, neon sign, mics, and warm lighting perfectly capture a real podcast vibe. Joe Drake and Kendrick look natural, with expressions and body language that feel genuinely in the moment. All the small details make it feel authentic, like a real behind-the-scenes shot. It nailed the atmosphere. It barely looks AI generated. Really well done. Here are some more images I created. As you can see, all of them look scary real. And it is able to do this because Nano Banana Pro actually does a quick search based on your prompt to find the right context and then generates the image, which is why it can create such amazing results. And honestly, I don't think any other image generator can currently do this at this level. Now, Nano Banana Pro isn't just great with images, it can generate clean, perfectly formatted text as well. So I decided to put it to the test. I asked it to create a step-by-step guide for making pancakes, complete with both visuals and written instructions. The result was incredible. The text came out crisp, accurate, and fully readable, something most AIs still struggle with. The illustrations were charming and consistent, flowing smoothly from one step to the next. With the warm colors, playful style, and neat layout, it honestly looked like a real page from a high-quality recipe book. Nano Banana Pro is operating on a whole different level. Truly impressive. Now let's move on to some image editing. Once you upload your photo, all you need to do is drop in a prompt. For this test, I wanted to change the weather and time of day, so I entered the prompt, turn this bright daytime photo into a rainy nighttime scene, add natural raindrops, wet reflections, and moody blue lighting while keeping the pose, face, and background the same, and hit generate. The result is stunning. The scene shifts from bright daylight to a dramatic rainy nighttime atmosphere, yet everything else stays perfectly intact. The raindrops look natural on the skin, the lighting feels realistic, and the entire mood changes without breaking the original composition. The transformation is seamless and cinematic. Nano Banana Pro handled it flawlessly. Now let's create a different angle of this image. So I will select the image and give it this prompt and then simply hit generate. And here's the output. Just like that, it was able to create a side angle shot, and it looks amazing too. Using this feature, you can create different angles while keeping perfect face consistency. And with Higsfield, you don't need to worry about credits or spending anything because it's free, unrestricted, and they're currently offering unlimited generations, not just for Nano Banana Pro, but for some of the best image generators out there for 365 days for Pro users. And right now, they're also running some amazing Black Friday discounts, which significantly reduce the plan cost, so you can definitely consider taking a subscription. Now, go and try it yourself and start creating awesome content.